So let's look at how you view your orders on your Flipdish portal. Just below the graph on your home screen, click on Orders. On this screen, you can see all the orders for your store. To make things easier for you, you can see that they are color-coded. Purple means the order is pending and not yet accepted. Green is an accepted order, and red is a rejected order. As I scroll down the page, you will notice that the icons are different. A delivery order has a vehicle icon beside it. A collection order has a building icon beside it. This makes it very easy for you to see which ones are delivery or which ones are collection. For those of you with multiple stores, you can look at the orders for all stores or just specific ones if you have more than one location. Just filter in Store option on the right. As you can see, you can choose just one store or all stores or a combination of stores depending on what you need to look at. Okay, so a common query that we get from our customers is, how do I search for a specific order? Perhaps your customer is querying what they ordered and you want to double check, or perhaps they have changed their mind and so you need to refund the order. So you would take the order number that your customer has given you from their confirmation SMS and enter it in the search bar. So for example, I'm going to search for a specific order. So I just click on the search bar on the left and enter the number. I'll be using 177-61602 as an example. And as you can see, the system finds the order straight away. Now what I want to do is accept the order that I placed earlier when I was demonstrating the customer order flow. To do this, I will click Live View. After clicking this, you will hear a chime when orders are placed and are waiting to be accepted. This indicates that the order is pending. The chime is very distinct and should be easy for your staff to hear as long as you have the volume turned up on your device. You will now see your pending orders on the left-hand side of the screen. As this is just a test store, there's only one order, which is the one I made earlier. When you click on a pending order, in the center of the screen, you can see the customer's order items. Down the bottom of the screen, you have the option to accept or reject the order, and towards the top, you can see when the order was requested for. The customer has requested ASAP or as soon as possible for their collection. However, should you need more time to accept the order, you can click on any of the green boxes at the bottom of the page to advise the customer when their order will be ready. I'm going to select an extra 30 minutes after the requested order time. When I click out of the live view, you will now see that the order has been accepted for 30 minutes after when it was requested. Now what I will show you is how to view the order after it has been accepted along with any other orders you may have. At the top of the page, you can see the order confirmation. You will be able to see whether the order is accepted for collection or delivery, the order number, and the customer name. Underneath, you'll be able to see the accepted for and requested for time. As you remember, we selected to add 30 minutes to the ready at time when accepting the order, so this has been updated. You can now see the total cost of the order under amount/payment and whether the order was paid for or not. If it says unpaid, this means the customer has selected to pay cash on collection or delivery. You will also be able to see the customer phone number, which is great for you to have as with Flipdish, you manage all your customer information. Underneath this, you'll be able to see any other details related to the order, like delivery notes, discounts applied, and tips.